Right, this is my STIHL 041. It's a red top, so I think it's 60s, late 60s I believe. 61-ish cc. It's got 20-inch original, you can see that STIHL, the old STIHL Duramatic bar on it. It was bought brand new. There you can see it better there. It was bought brand new in France for a chateau. It was then brought over to England in the 70s at some point. Then put in a barn for God knows how long. And I picked it up on eBay. This is quite a recent purchase. That's the choke. It's a cracking saw. Just going to do a bit of cutting with it today. And pile of wood over there. So I'll get it fired up and get it warmed up and then start cutting. Yeah, it's just a small pile of wood to cut up.